Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the daily close, of course, for Bitcoin. We're gonna see what we might expect in the next hours and even for tomorrow. So basically for Bitcoin, I'm still looking here for something as a wave for very likely, of course, to be unfolding as a three waves. But basically, I would say that this wave 4 is still, of course, not very impulsive here, but still, of course, very complex, honestly, because it shows the three ways down again. And I would say, yeah, the high was not taken. Yeah, this is another three ways down. So very likely it is a W, X, and a wave Y here. The wave Y is three ways down, three ways up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very ugly one. And of course, we might be looking here for an impulse to finish the wave C. I'm looking still anyway, in case we are in a diagonal. Of course, the diagonal that it is unfolding here as a potential ABC zigzag, and we're looking for a wave 4 and a 5. Can be, of course, following this wave 4, very likely, of course, in double zigzags here. We might get, of course, the wave 4 and then another wave 5 as a zigzag. In case that we are impulsive, I was looking to take the high or one more high, meaning to take this confirmation for higher, but it didn't. Yeah, this was the intraday, and we were close there, but we didn't took it. And that means, of course, yeah, very clear that we're gonna dive for deeper. We're still, of course, looking for this wave 4, very likely. Yeah, so I would say this wave 4 as a perfect fib level for diagonal can be directly taken, and I would say in this case we will have to finish, of course, a wave 3, 4, and a 5 over there, right? Coming back, of course, without extension, meaning because this is looking deeper, and it did not finish in three waves, and then of course like pushing for higher as we were looking for it, but we didn't. That means, of course, it brings me back a little bit here to a finished wave C, okay? And that means we are looking at a wave 4 in this diagonal and pushing for higher. Finally, of course, for the daily close, yeah, be careful. This signal is very, very important. We have double signals here, of course, on the indicator, and that means, of course, double signals for bearish. And here we are. That's why we're pushing for lower invalidation of bullish. Be careful as well, meaning, of course, looking for lower over there. Yeah, so it took the reference signal here. The reference point has been invalidated as well for this for this bullish signal. So basically, yeah, we're gonna test this area, guys, and it might take a while, so we gotta be careful with it. All right, so this is regarding Bitcoin. I'm still looking for lower right now to test this area, and then we're gonna take it from there if we see some strengths, of course. That was it, the daily close. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.